I'm here.
Beaucoup de Belges qui se sont installés. C'est en Andalousie, hein, on fait la Malaga.
Oh my god. Hello! How are you?
It's my parents-in-law.
Nice to meet you. We saw. They came to my shop, yeah.
Yeah, very good.
They did a bon affiche.
Tata, yeah.
Tata, yeah.
Tata, mama.
Are you happy to see your parents?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's nice. Oh, I can see that you're wearing.
Yeah, I bought from her.
Necklace.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
See you, enjoy, bye.
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 Vamos isto como na a parte em Cazaquistão.
Hai mă să urcăm că nu mai pasă, nu mai fac.
Mama, hai mă, unde te duci? Păi jos.
Yeah, this guacamole thing. And then what else? Well, cheese, many kind of salami, ham.
That's a metro Spain.
As you can see, it's massive. I fell in love with this tree.
They have gelato. Yeah. Ice cream.
So, go for your magnets because you frozen yogurt here.
I like the ports when you don't need to go out, or you don't have to use the shuttle bus.
Right?
What do you think? You just need to walk and
Yes, walk around and that's it.
you're counting your how many minutes you need to get to the ship. No rush, just enjoying your time. We're in Spain, by the way, in Cartagena. Cartagena is totally different from Colombia. Cartagena. Yeah, you can see. It's totally different. Comparing the Cartagena and Colombia, Cartagena, Spain, what do you think? What's the difference?
Cartagena in Colombia, like in South America,
Yeah.
and Cartagena in Spain.
In Spain.
Well, Spanish went to conquer South America, so we can see a little bit of the history of Spain in South America, but here, so this is the mother. More, you can see more architectonical things. You can see the architecture, and also what else can I say? Here in Spain, it's like they keep their monuments and archaeological places better than in South America.
But I can say it's much more cleaner.
Yeah, it's cleaner too.
Yeah.
That's true.
So we're going back to our little house, our boat. So tell me, how is it cruising as crew?
Cruising as crew. I feel like I'm traveling for free. I need to work a little bit.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, compared to what people pay, it's good.
Yeah.
And all about experiences, you get to see the world, but not only that, you learn a lot by the experiences. Yeah, cruising as crew. I think we have so much more fun, like behind the scene. For example, crew bars, crew parties, some romance.
Yeah.
And you get to make a lot of friends everywhere. Nowadays, wherever I travel, I don't need to pay for hotel, and I have local friends to take me everywhere.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's such a unique job. You know, you never get to find this kind of job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For some departments, what I can say, it's easier to work like,
I like his
me
job
in the
too.
shop.
Look at this man.
Oh.
Let me take a photo.
So what I was saying, that to work in some departments it's easier to travel because you don't have that amount of hours to work. I don't know about you, like when we don't have C days, I'm working like 5 hours, maybe 6, 7. This is the maximum. But the guys who's working in the housekeeping in the restaurants, they're working more, and they don't have access to the old ports, so they need to, like, you know, schedule their time in advance. So they have like couple hours to go out.
Yeah, but since we are here for work, first of all,
Your priority is work, basically.
yeah,
Yeah.
that you need to admit it. 'Cause
But even so, it's nice. You wake up, it's like sometimes I miss where we are, which country, which city. Are we still in Spain?
yeah.
Yeah. That's funny. So amazing Spain. So see you next time in Cartagena. It was very nice experience. Thank you.